Hello friends. Welcome to the amazing adventure of discovering the 5 magical senses that help us understand and enjoy the world. We are going to embark on a fantastic journey to explore sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Each of these senses is like a special superpower that allows us to experience the world in different ways. Let's start our adventure with sight, and then we'll move on to the other 4 senses. Sight is like having your very own magic window to the world. It helps us see all the beautiful colors, shapes, and details around us. Long ago, people learned about this sense when they realized they could see things with their eyes. Our eyes are like amazing cameras that take pictures of everything we look at. They have special parts called retinas that help us see in bright sunlight and in the dark, just like the moon and stars. Close your eyes and imagine the colors of a rainbow. That's what sight lets us see. Sight helps us watch colorful sunsets, find hidden treasures in books, and see our friends' happy smiles. Without sight, we couldn't read stories, enjoy art, or play our favorite games. It helps us cross the street safely and find our favorite toys. Our eyes work like superheroes, letting us know when it's time to play, eat, or go to bed. Hearing is like having your own little music player inside your ears. It's how we listen to sweet birds singing, giggles, and even your favorite lullabies. Long ago, people discovered hearing when they realized they could hear sounds all around them. Inside your ears, there are tiny parts called eardrums that vibrate when sounds are near, just like a drum. When you clap your hands, your eardrums feel the sound. Hearing helps us enjoy music, listen to stories, and chat with our friends. It keeps us safe by letting us hear cars honking and sirens blaring. You can close your eyes and listen to the rain falling, the wind whispering in the trees, and the sound of your laughter. Hearing is like having your very own music show every day. Taste is like a yummy adventure inside your mouth. It helps us enjoy sweet candy, crunchy apples, and tasty ice cream. People discovered taste long ago when they realized different foods had different flavors. Our tongues are covered in tiny bumps called taste buds. They tell our brains if something is sweet, salty, sour, or even spicy. Taste makes our meals extra fun. It helps us savor our favorite snacks and tells us if our soup needs a little more salt or if our cookies are too sweet. Next time you take a bite of your favorite treat, remember to thank your taste buds for making it even more delicious. Smell is like your own secret detective. It helps us discover the delicious aroma of flowers, the freshness of rain, and the sweet scent of cookies baking in the oven. Long ago, people realized that their noses could detect wonderful smells in the air. Inside our noses, there are special parts called olfactory receptors that sniff out the scents around us. Smell helps us enjoy the fragrance of flowers, detect when dinner is ready, and know when your family is baking your favorite pie. It also keeps us safe by alerting us to bad smells, like when something is burning. Your nose is like a superhero, always on the lookout for amazing scents. Touch is like having a special connection with everything around us. It's how we feel the soft fur of a kitten, the warmth of the sun on our skin, and the cozy hug of our loved ones. We've known about touch for as long as we've been around because we can feel things with our skin. Our skin is like a cozy blanket that wraps us up and keeps us safe. Touch lets us play with our favorite toys, hug our pets, and feel the softness of a flower's petals. It warms us when something is too hot or too cold and helps us find things in the dark. Your skin is your body's way of giving you special, gentle, and loving messages. So, little explorer, there you have it. We've journeyed through the fantastic world of our 5 magical senses: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. These senses help us experience the world in delightful ways and keep us safe every day. The next time you see a rainbow, listen to a beautiful song, taste a yummy treat, smell the flowers, or feel a warm hug, remember to thank your senses for making life so wonderful. Keep exploring and enjoy the amazing adventure of discovering the world through your senses. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.